The mounting set should be checked during every routine inspection or whenever the lamp becomes unstable or misaligned. Inspect all bolts, nuts, and brackets for signs of loosening, corrosion, or mechanical damage. Any worn or rusted components must be tightened or replaced immediately to maintain proper lamp alignment and stability. Regular checks of the mounting set ensure safe operation and correct illumination direction on the runway. Prepare the following tools for the operation. A 4mm hex key. Review the table of recommended force to ensure the torque is set correctly. To disconnect the solar panel cable from the lighting unit, rotate the latch counterclockwise and carefully remove it from the power connector. To remove the lighting unit from the permanent mount, start by unscrewing the 4 screws from underneath the mounting plate. Lift the lighting unit from the mounting plate. Remove the lighting unit from portable mount. Start by releasing the safety latches. Gently remove the lighting unit, being careful not to bend the rear latches. Perform a comprehensive inspection of the mounting set components. Check for corrosion, surface wear or mechanical damage, and confirm that all fasteners are tightened to specification. Examine the base for mounting solar for loose or missing screws and structural integrity. Verify the condition of the triangular frames and long profile, ensuring proper alignment and fastening. Inspect the base under the lamp and in the case of the portable version, ensure that all screws on the base plate are properly secured. Examine the rear screw of the long profile. Using a hex key, inspect the frangible connector and confirm that its screws are properly torqued. Check the base for mounting on concrete asphalt for correct installation, absence of corrosion, and lack of visible deformation. Conclude the inspection by verifying the solar panel. The cable should be intact and the solar cells free from scratches or cracks. Ensure that the frame remains stable and rigid with no movement in any structural element. Before inserting the lamp, unlock and open the safety latches. Carefully insert the lamp so that the rear part hooks onto the latches holding the lamp in place. Then, close the front safety latches to lock the lamp securely in place. Place the lamp on the base and screw it in from underneath, tightening the screws opposite each other. Use a 4mm hex key and tighten the screws to keep the lamp steady and secure. To connect the solar panel, look for the power connector on the side of the lighting unit. When connecting the devices, locate the thickest pin and align pin number 4 with input port number 4, or position it so that the thickest pin faces the power connector cover. Insert the connector carefully until it is fully seated in the socket, then turn the latch clockwise to lock the power cord in place. To learn more about the SP-401S lighting unit, refer to the SP-401S lighting unit maintenance manual.